What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Lay all day from On Point Tech Solutions, and today we're talking about AI operating systems. What's an AI operating system? Well, an AI operating system is basically a system that lives on your computer. That basically an AI has a set of instructions that it can follow. Those instructions usually carry, maybe your branding, maybe information about you, your business, and the things that you do in your business, and all those great things. What we're trying to get at is we're trying to customize an AI to you. An AI operating system meant for your business. It knows everything about your business. It's connected to all your tools. Everything that it needs lives within these folders on essentially Claude Code. And right now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get right into it, okay? So 1 second here. All right, so here we are, AI operating system starter kit for Claude Code. So forewarning, you're gonna need Claude Code in order to do this project. So if you're gonna do this project, you're gonna need Claude Code. You're gonna need a couple little things that I'm gonna tell you to install. I'm gonna help you install them 1, 2, 3 different things. So you gotta go ahead and install them one by one and go through each program and learn what it does. So I'm gonna share with you the 3 programs that you're gonna actually need in order to get this thing really juiced up. And these are the 3 common things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need an AIS-OS operating system. Today I'm sharing AIS operating system. It's a nice framework. It's easy to follow. Everything is here. It's free. He teaches you about the 3 M's: mindset, method, and the machine. So go ahead and read through this, and also the 4 C's. So that's context, connections, capabilities, cadence. So knowing things about your business, how it gets all the connections it has and all the capabilities it has, and what it can do without you. So that's the main point of having one of these AI agents take over your business. And when you first install this, these are the 3 skills that you're gonna run. You're gonna learn the onboarding skill. Once you set this up, you're gonna run onboarding, and then after about 7 days, you're gonna run audit, and then about another 7 days, you're gonna run level up. It's a 2-week process. What's gonna happen, it's gonna start learning about you. It's gonna ask you a bunch of questions about you, and then it's gonna learn all the things about your business, and then it's going to start asking you to pretty much connect the tools, and slowly we will start connecting tools into your AIS-OS system. It's awesome. Anyways, quick start. Like I said, you just clone this repo onto your machine, run the onboarding, and then just follow up with this thing and start leveling up every week, essentially. These are the repo layout. This is pretty much all the files that it comes with, and it's going to pretty much be installed onto your folder somewhere on your computer, maybe your desktop. And that's it. So what you're gonna do is actually pretty simple. You can just copy and paste this and bring it to your Claude Code, drop into your Claude Code, tell it to install it, and it'll start installing it. But you have to set up Claude Code first. If you haven't set up Claude Code first, you gotta go watch another video to set up Claude Code, because this ain't the video that's gonna teach you, okay? Just letting you know. So this video is more for people who already have Claude Code and wanting to upgrade their business a little bit more. The second thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna actually go and visit this Nate's AI automation school. This guy has it all. It's ready, laid out for you over there. But this is a quick video meant for you to kind of just get in and get out. So go ahead and visit this website here if you haven't yet. Everything I'm going to leave is in the description, so you don't have to go out and figure it out. So I got Nate's AIS-OS right here. Go ahead and install that. After you finish that, you're going to want to install LLM Wiki. LLM Wiki is a pattern for building personal knowledge bases using LLMs. What the core idea here is, you're going to have a bunch of files and documents and you'll be able to upload them and be able to query them easily and be able to have your AI look through all your files and all the things that you've done inside of the AIS-OS, and it's going to know everything. Just imagine it's like your database on your computer. It has all your files of your clients, your research, readings, everything from your business, like everything. So there's a lot of different things that it's going to come with it. But the main thing is just getting this installed into your AI operating system. Same thing, just take it, upload it, throw it in there, and then you're going to do one more thing. You're going to download Obsidian. You're going to download Obsidian, and you're going to set up an Obsidian account, and you're going to connect the Obsidian folder to the same folder of your iOS, and you're going to have this LLM Wiki installed on it. The last part is actually, once you install the LLM Wiki, you're going to need to install Graphify. Graphify is going to pretty much turn any of your code base with its docs, SQL schemas, configs, and PDFs into a curable knowledge graph. So it pretty much does the same thing, but it does it in a different form, essentially. But these are the 3 things I would install in order to get your operating system just kind of getting started. These are the 3 things on top of the Obsidian. So you want to go ahead and also go to Obsidian right here and just download Obsidian for Windows or Mac, whatever it is, and it's free. So you can just use it for free, or you can use it for a few bucks a month. So it's just not too bad. If you use it on a monthly basis, only $5 a month for the sync and $10 for the publisher. But we're using this for free right now, free without limits, so no strings attached. So that's a good thing about this program right here. But these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 things that you're gonna need in order to get your AI operating system going. I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything in the description, like I said, all the links, everything that you'll need in order to just get this thing going. So once you get it going, it'll be really awesome. But I do recommend you going to AI Automation Society School just to learn how to get this thing done properly if you like to, but it is all in here and you're able to just take some of these challenges and kind of move forward with it. But you should learn some topics and ways of prompting your AI in order to get to, this level of automations. Now, once you get this thing started, you're going to be able to pretty much tell AI to do things that it will just remember, all the context, everything, the way you write, all your clients, your past work, all the things that you prompt, it remembers everything. So it does really help bring together what I think is what we're getting closer to something like a personal AI, because all this stuff does live on your computer, and all the stuff on the computer, basically just all the files live on your computer. So it's just coming in and doing the work on your computer and having all the automations on your computer. You can take this anywhere with you. There's many things that you can utilize once you get this framework, and you maybe combine it with something like Go High Level or High Level. And right now I have a combination of this and High Level, and it's working amazing for me. I'm able to keep track of my business. I'm able to ask pretty much all about my business inside of the Claude, and it's able to bring all the data in from High Level and everything I've done with that client, from invoices to forms to answering questionnaires to everything. On top of it, being able to help you follow up and automate certain processes for you just by telling it, and it will remember everything. It's amazing. Like I said, there's nothing out there like it right now, and for the price, compared to using the API, we're just using a subscription to Claude right now. So this is, a really unique time to see all these new processes are happening, and AI operating systems are the next thing to do. Like I said, this is a free operating system by Nate Herk, and it's out there for you guys to install in your Claude and to give it a try. And I've been using this thing for maybe over about a month now, and I've learned quite a lot of things, and I was able to even come up with control.
What are we running today?
I don't know if you guys see mission control, but I'll give you a little mission control right here. So here's my little mission control, controls my CRM, has all the different things that I need in my business, and it has different workflows and processes depending on what I'm looking to do in my business today, tomorrow, throughout the week, all that good stuff. Even keeps up with my clients, cold calls. I got a shop, onboarding, making videos and content, CRM stuff, and things like that. So this is really cool. Like I said, I was able to create an AI operating system plus what we call mission control, what you just had seen. That's what you have seen here. And, those are the cool things that you can do with AI today. So today, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to share, what's going on, what to download. And if you guys are interested in doing something like this, go ahead and reach out to me. And if you need help with it, we're here to help people on board and get this thing started for themselves. My name is Mike Lay all day. I'm from On Point Tech Solution. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel to see more things like this. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good evening, and we will see you later.